All right, welcome everyone to the IBS Builder Show. We're coming here to show you one of the newest products that we have developed. My name is Ben Warwick. I'm the Vice President of Facility Resource Group, which is a subsidiary of Noritz America. This product is the NRCB, which is a tankless water heater and a boiler all in one package that we can simultaneously heat domestic hot water and also domestic heating water to space condition the facility, whether it's through hydronics, through an air handler, through radiant floor. Many ways that we can attach this unit to the home or apartment for space conditioning and also delivering domestic hot water. We have manufactured this into a rack type system, so all of the tedious piping and the tedious installation time of doing on the job site has been done for the contractor, so he virtually again has one point of connection for water, hydronic loops, water also for the cold water and hot water out, one point of connection for gas, and one point of connection for his venting and the expansion tanks for both the hydronic side of the loop and the potable water side of the loop is already factory installed and sized for the system. We have it represented today connected to an air handler, which happens to be a heat pump. So it is a true dual fuel system because we're using heat pump technology to heat or air condition the space, but we also have a hydronic coil that is installed into the air handler so it can take and do supplemental heat, or we can do dehumidification and use the hydronic coil for reheat in the space to dehumidify that space. This can be all delivered to the job site in one package, and this package can be floor mounted as you see it here, or with the frame it can actually be hung on the wall, or we have an accessory that you can mount it off the floor 16 inches in the case that you were going to put it into a garage and you stay out of that explosion zone. Again, Ben Warwick coming to you from the Builder Show on the new racked NRCB.